As Americans, we can all agree that pizza is one of our favorite foods. But what exactly makes a great pizza? The answer lies in the toppings. In this article, we'll explore some of the best pizza toppings and try to answer the age-old question, what's the best pizza topping? Let's start with the classic, pepperoni. Pepperoni is the go-to topping for many pizza lovers. It's salty, spicy, and goes perfectly with the tomato sauce and cheese. Plus, it's easy to find at any pizza restaurant or grocery store. But what about those who want to mix things up? For the veggie lovers out there, mushrooms are a delicious addition to any pizza. They're earthy, savory, and pair well with other veggies like onions and bell peppers. Speaking of veggies, have you ever tried broccoli on your pizza? It might sound strange, but hear us out. Broccoli adds a nice crunch to the pizza and is packed with vitamins and nutrients. It's also a great option for those who are looking for a healthier pizza topping. For the meat lovers out there, sausage is a popular choice. It's slightly milder than pepperoni but still packs a ton of flavor. And for those who really want to kick it up a notch, try adding some spicy Italian sausage to your pizza. Now, let's talk about some more unique pizza toppings. Have you ever had a pizza with shrimp on it? It might sound odd, but shrimp is a delicious addition to any seafood lover's pizza. And for those who love a little heat, try adding some jalapenos to your shrimp pizza. Another unexpected pizza topping is barbecue chicken. The sweetness of the barbecue sauce paired with the tanginess of the cheese creates a mouth-watering combination. You can even add some red onions or bacon for an extra burst of flavor. And last but not least, let's talk about dessert pizzas. That's right, dessert pizzas are a thing. If you have a sweet tooth, try a pizza with Nutella and strawberries on top. Or, for a more traditional option, try a pizza with apple slices and cinnamon sugar. So, what's the verdict? What's the best pizza topping? Well, that's up to you. It all depends on your personal taste preferences. But one thing is for sure, pizza toppings are what make each slice unique and delicious. Next time you're at a pizza restaurant or making your own pizza at home, try stepping outside of your comfort zone and trying something new. Who knows, you might just find your new favorite pizza topping. Whether you prefer classic toppings like pepperoni or want to get adventurous with shrimp or broccoli, there's no wrong way to top a pizza. So go ahead and experiment, you might just discover your new go-to pizza topping.